All right, good morning, everyone. So this morning, Dan and I were supposed to be going to an inland pond to do some duck hunting, but unfortunately with the real cold weather we had this weekend, all the ponds as of last night were still frozen over. It's very warm and windy out right now, so I'm willing to bet that those ponds are open now, but I don't think the ducks are going to find them that quick. So we made plans to meet up at a saltwater marsh, and we're just going to be pass shooting and jump shooting birds that we see out there, and hopefully we have some action. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so we'll just cut up through the cedar trees here to the creek. I'll let you go first. Is that either that or a seal? Right. It's a duck. Is it? Yeah, it's an eider. Good? I think so. No, it's a, yeah, it's a scoter. Yeah, white-winged scoter. Come here, Jazz. Come here, Jazz. Come here. He's gonna go down far. He might be injured too. Oh, behind you. It's up there. Yeah, I think he's injured. Heel, Jazz, heel. Heel. Jasmine, heel. Jasmine, heel. Heel. Come here. If he pops up again, I'd say just shoot him. I don't think he's gonna fly. I think he's gonna pop up further down. Heel, Jasmine. Oh, he's right there. Dead bird. Right there. Get him, Jazz. That's a pretty bird. That's a nice one too. Come here, Jazz. Oh, he's a pretty one. Look at him. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Hey, leave it.
What's the plan?
We'll just sit up in these cedar trees and wait for things to go back and forth.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, right on that ledge up there. Cool. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Oh, I hear geese.
You hear that?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they're flying already. Straight ahead. Like they're 1 o'clock. I think they're coming this way. Yep. Ah, no, they're gonna veer off. Yeah, straight ahead. They're veering off. I thought about it. There's gonna be more. Do you want to cross here? You see where those cedar trees are? When more of them fly up, hopefully they'll fly over the same. Yeah. Dead bird. Dead bird. Look. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay.
And then I just saw another one. Couldn't tell what it was. Right back in there.
I'm sweating my ass off after that. Oh my god.
When you shot, were you thinking got it?
Oh yeah, yeah. I scooped up the seal and it just flew right back over me. Yeah. No, there's yeah. I know. I know. Shot again. Black duck flew over the top. He was up there, but you know, I had to try it.
Yeah. Walk by the head Eider.
Did we?
Right there. On that little, like, you know where it turns, like,
yeah.
right there. It was just swimming. And then it went over. Okay. Send the Jasmine and then I'll go. You got shot, and then it just like came around.
Really? Yeah. Alright. Will do. That's the good thing about sea ducks, they follow water. They won't fly over land. Yep, that's what that is. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, it's the bill really. It's just the actual bill like pushes up this way. Yep. And then she's got the little white stripes there.
White stripes.
Cool. Look at that, your first 2 sea ducks. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think they're all Eider hens. It's hard to tell though. Yeah. They're all brown, that's for sure.
You can get one.
Yeah. Yep.
in, Jess, pitch. Good girl, Jazz. Good girl. Bring him in. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, then. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Got that. Come on, let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hit the birdie. Hit the birdie. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh. There she is. She's a heavy one. Heavy duck. Wow. Is yours like excessively heavy?
They're not light.
Yeah. I forgot how heavy these things are. Yeah, it was all hen eiders. There were a lot more of them than I thought there were too. There was something else a little further out that took off before I got out to the shoreline.
I think it was either ringneck or skunk.
Yeah. Yeah, something like that. I couldn't tell though.
Yeah, there was one of those two. Because of the bodies that look the same.
Yeah.
And then I don't know if it was me wanting to see one. I thought I saw a harlequin just because I want to see one.
I know, so do I.
I don't want it to ever fly anywhere near my decoy.
Right. It's like my worst fear. Alright.
My old 90s.
Yep. God damn it. It might be. You see him still? No. Oh yeah, they're right there over the island. Coming back. Hey, bird. Sweet. Raise, Jess. Hey, bird. Hey, bird. Where is he? Right here, Jess. Where? Where's the bird? He walked right over him. Back. 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 Come on. He's walking right over it. Just right there. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Black duck hen. Good girl.
I'll hang out as long as you can.
All right.
Well, you gotta update your... Now you're gonna have to update...
I know, I have to update the picture now.
I thought she has a good spot right next to that tail.
Yep.
That's good eating.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good shot.
Yeah, thank you. She was stoned.
Alright, so I ended up with 3 ducks and a squirrel, and Dan ended up with 2 ducks. We did better than we thought we were going to do. We thought we'd get a couple shots up, but definitely didn't expect to get 5 ducks and a squirrel. I got the squirrel on the walkout. Fortunately, didn't have the GoPro on or the shot cam, so didn't get that for you. But yeah, it was a pretty good morning. Not a whole lot of birds flying up and down the creek like we thought there was going to be, but we still made it work anyway. So I'm just going to get these birds cleaned up, Not gonna do anything special with them. I'm just gonna make them into jerky, since that's pretty much the only way I can make sea ducks and coastal puddle ducks actually taste decent. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one.